Bitcoin broke out bullish yesterday after we got our massive bullish news. This was to be expected, of course. And right now we are on the verge of breaking out of this falling wedge pattern. This breakout will be absolutely massive. We have been waiting for this breakout for weeks. Well, volatility is still at historic lows. A massive move for Bitcoin is imminent and you need to be prepared. So make sure to hit that like button. And to start this video off, yes guys, we have seen amazing support coming in. We are currently breaking out of this falling wedge pattern that we talked about yesterday, as well as this 1 hourly resistance level where we also broke out of yesterday right here. So all in all, it is starting to look very good for Bitcoin. We are getting a small little bounce right now in the market, which was very much needed. But it is very important to keep in mind that the volatility that we are seeing right now in the market is nowhere close we are about to see in the future. Okay, the Bollinger Bands are still very narrow. This is of course suggesting a very low amount of volatility that is right now in the market, but all of the previous times you can be seeing that after a period of low volatility, we all of the time saw massive moves happening for Bitcoin. And right now it is about to happen once again, because we are perfectly getting supported from of our previous resistance right now turning into a support from of this very important trend line. We are about to see a massive breakout of this falling wedge pattern, as well as this cup and handle pattern we are also on the verge of breaking out. All in all, it is looking like a massive move for Bitcoin is about to come towards the upside. But will this move come today, tomorrow, next week, or maybe even next month? Well guys, we still have about, at the very least, 2 more weeks of price action. We can actually be trading in towards this falling wedge until we really need to be breaking out to either the upside or towards the downside. And if we have a look into the previous months, we can actually be seeing that July has historically speaking been a very bullish month for Bitcoin. And the inflation in July is expected to come down very significantly, alongside with the fact that July has historically speaking been a very bullish month for Bitcoin. I do believe we will be seeing this massive breakout happening in July and very bullish price action happening in July. Now, of course, either way, you want to be already prepared for any kind of a breakout. If we are going to be breaking out today, tomorrow, or maybe next week, we already want to be getting prepared, and I do want to be longing the Bitcoin market at the point of the breakout. But you should not be getting fooled right here, because of course, on the 12-hourly time frame, well, we are still technically trading in towards this downtrend. So I do not believe we will be breaking out of this falling wedge pattern today, maybe even not tomorrow, because at the same time that we are trading in towards this downtrend, we are also of course trading in towards a weekend. And of course, we do know in weekends it is less likely that we are going to be breaking out any kind of patterns. We are usually seeing lower amounts of volatility, and of course, if we are going to be making any massive swings in the Bitcoin price, well, we are going to be opening a CME gap, which these CME gaps tend to get filled 95% of the time. So just keep that in mind. Yes, a massive move is still imminent, but you should not be getting fooled in a weekend. Okay, another very interesting thing that we could be seeing happening is that the stock market has been very much uptrending. Well, Bitcoin has actually been going down over the past couple of weeks. And usually whenever this happens, well, Bitcoin will eventually try to keep up with the stock market and once again follow the lead of the stock market, and will also pump towards the upside. Another very interesting thing is that the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is also coming in towards a decision moment. We are about to see a massive breakout anytime soon, and a break towards the downside would of course mean that Bitcoin is going to be stronger against Ethereum, so you want to be rather holding more Bitcoin than Ethereum. But of course, a breakout towards the upside would mean that Ethereum will be performing better against Bitcoin, so you actually want to be holding more Ethereum in your wallet against Bitcoin. So whenever we are going to be breaking out this one, you will be the first one to know on my YouTube channel, and I'll also share it on my Twitter page. So we are about to see a massive breakout anytime soon. Volatility is absolutely imminent. And guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in the next video tomorrow morning, and guys, bye bye.